In this video, I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working on your Android phone. If your microphone is not working in a specific app, such as WhatsApp, Discord, Zoom, or Google Meet, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps Management. Next, tap App List. Find and select the app where the microphone is not working. Now tap Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap Permissions. Select Microphone and make sure it is set to Allow only while using the app or Allow. Once you've done that, go back to the app information page. Tap Storage Usage. Now tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data if the issue continues. Keep in mind that clearing data may sign you out of the app. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and test your microphone. That's it. These are some of the best ways to fix a microphone that is not working on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.